Hey guys, it's Blake here doing a quick review of this awesome 3-tiered fountain. This was super easy to set up. It has a kind of flat base underneath. This whole piece can actually be taken out, and this is a bowl underneath that holds the water. There's a pump that obviously you take the cord, plug it in, don't mind the mess. Right now I just got this set up and I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna actually put it. But it pumps, there's a pump that connects to a little tube. The tube leads up to this top piece here and it goes down the tiers obviously and then kind of recirculates. It does include 6 of these candles. I have 3 in here now obviously lit up. It does include all the rocks as well. I have them put all the way around here. Really big fan of this. This is a nice relaxation piece just to have in the background. A little bit of white noise could help you sleep as well if that's something that helps you out. I like the aura that the candles put off as well. Definitely a nice piece to have when you're meditating or anything of the sort as well. So hope you enjoyed my quick review of this 3-tiered fountain with candles and rocks, and have a great rest of your day.